Hello tribe, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing very well today. If you're new here, my name is Taylluna. Welcome. Make sure to click that red subscribe button down there, become part of the tribe. We do all sorts of spiritual hippie yogi videos on this channel and I would love to have you a part of the tribe. So you guys have been loving my thrift hauls lately and I'm back again with another one. I think it's super fun to share my finds with you and inspire you to get out to your local thrift stores. So if you want to see the playlist of all of my thrift hauls that I've done on this channel, I'll leave the link in the description so you can binge, because I know how that be. I do it too. I have my cute little Christmas tree in the back. It needs to be fluffed a little, but you know, we're working on it. I'm actually wearing today one of the sweaters that I thrifted in a previous video, so definitely go check that out. But I have all sorts of fun new goodies to show you today. I'm sorry if you can hear my laptop screaming at you. It's really, really loud. So I have a lot to show you. It's kind of collective. I went thrifting today, but I have a few pieces from another trip that I went on recently that I never got to film for you. So yeah, I'm really excited. I have a lot of celestial moon star themed things today, like more than usual. So my Luna tribe, this is where it's at, kids. The first thing that I have to show you is a moon thing. Shock. It's this gorgeous moon mirror, and you can tell it's like hand painted, absolutely gorgeous. The detail is just, oh, stunning. She's a beaut. And then on the back, you can of course hang it up on the wall. I am obsessed with this. It was made in Indonesia, which is super cool. But yeah, how fun. I love this piece so much. Like when I find things like this at the thrift store, I just like scream and cry, and I don't know, it's just the most exciting thing in the world. It's like it was meant for you. You know what I mean? So that is thing number one. I'm getting a little warm, not gonna lie. The next thing that I have is adorable. I am obsessed with it. It is this really cute little trinket shelf that you can put crystals or, you know, like little trinkets or plants or whatever you really want to in here. And you can hang it on your wall to display all of your goodies. But I just thought this was such a cute little piece. Usually the shelves that you find are massive, so if you have a smaller collection, this would be perfect to display all of your goodies. How cute! The next thing. This is, honestly, I see these all over the internet and they are awesome. I bought myself one a while ago from the thrift store for like $1. And I found this one that is a light wash wood. The one I have is a little bit darker, but this is so cute. But basically all you do is you hang it up on your wall and you can spread it out as much as you want to and then just hang all of your goods from it. So I like to hang my sweaters and necklaces, like jewelry, stuff like that, and it's just perfect. I have it in my room. I'm sure you guys have seen it. But yeah, these are awesome for organizing and they're very, very aesthetically pleasing, so obviously I'm a fan of that. The next piece that I have is a gorgeous piece of wall art, and it has my quote on it. If you watch my channel or you know me at all, you know that I literally say I love you to the moon and back like all the time to my friends and family. So I love having a piece that just says my saying on it. Like, how cool is that? It has beautiful art on it with stars and moons, and I just adore it. And I hope you guys love it as much as I do. You can hang it on your wall, on the back here. And yeah, I love this piece. It's so pretty and it's massive. So I went to Goodwill today and found some goodies to add to my shop, which if you guys don't know, a lot of these items that I thrift, I put on my Depop shop for you guys to go and adopt. And it's so fun because then I can send you a little package in the mail. So if you see anything in this haul that you like, I will leave the link to my Depop in the description so you can check it out, or if you have the app already, you can just search me Taylluna and I'm sure you'll find me. I'm the only one with that name. So today at Goodwill was one of those days where everything just kind of matched, which was awesome. right, so this is the first thing that I got. It is a gorgeous star candle holder, and I like that it has like more of, I don't want to say protection, but it like has a place for the candle to sit in, which is really, really nice, especially if you have issues with wax melting everywhere like I do. But yeah, this is just such a pretty, gorgeous, simple piece, and I cannot wait to put this in the shop. It is beautiful. It has a pretty little bead in the middle, and yeah, it's just so cute. I love it. I believe the next two go together, so I'll show them all together. Let me unwrap. These like literally all match. It's awesome. Okay, I found the most beautiful candle holder set in the world. Pretty much all I found today were variations of candle holders, which I'm not mad about because I've been wanting to add some new ones to my collection for quite some time, so not mad at all. I found two that are just self-standing candle holders, like, you know, normal candle holders. This one is a little bit taller. It wraps all the way around on the bottom, as you can see. There's a beautiful glass sun in the middle, and then the candle holder, of course, on top. And then the shorter one is this one here. Same design as the larger one with the sun in the middle. I hope you guys can see that, like, even a little bit. I don't know. But they are gorgeous. So I found these two first. I'm gonna set them right back here because they're cute. So I found those two first, and then I found this. Like, what? This is awesome. This is a wall hanging candle holder that there's where your nail goes right there, and you just plop it on your wall. I am obsessed with this. There's room for two candle holders, and they have the little like pointy piece, so if you get larger votives, they won't fall off. But this is just so awesome, and I cannot believe that I found a whole set. I'm super excited. It's just so fun. It's literally like a treasure hunt because you just never know what you're gonna find, and then you find all these things that go together. It's like the person who donated it just knew it belonged to me. It was awesome. And the lady at the checkout line said that too, which is so funny. So I think that's it for those. I have one more star thing. I also got this really pretty tea light holder. I feel like these are a little bit easier to use around the house because you don't have to really keep such like an eye on them. Like with these candle holders, you would definitely want to keep an eye on them and not leave them like unattended. But these are just little tea light holders, and I love this little star shape that it's in. It's so cute. So this will definitely be up on my shop. I'm really excited about it. It's so pretty. The last and final things that I have to show you today, I squealed a little bit when I saw them. I'm just gonna show you because I can't find words. Try and show you how massive this is. Because there's that one, and the sun. I hope you can see that at all. I know I'm not in focus, but just so you can see these. They're huge, you guys. They're literally massive. Like this one won't even fit on the frame all the way. This is what we're working with here. I have a sun and moon candle holder set, and they are like, as you can tell, hopefully, massive. And this is where your candle goes. So the moon is a little bit shorter than the sun. So you can just hopefully tell how tall these are. Like if I'm gonna go stand next to them, let's see. Look how massive they are. Look how massive these are, you guys, compared to me standing. So massive. Oh, I'm so excited about them. Okay. Get myself in focus. Oh, that's the wrong one. There it is. I'm filming my videos differently now than I did before, so let me know if you guys can tell a difference and if you like them, if the audio's better, if the focus is better, the lighting, all the things, please give me some feedback. I'd really appreciate it. But that is everything that I have to show you guys today. I forgot to mention too that each of those candle holders was $3.99. Like, what? If you were to find those in like a home decor store, you'd be paying at least $20 for each of them. Like, fight me. You know it's true. That is all I have in this thrift haul for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a couple trips all collected into one haul video, so give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I know you guys seem to like the thrift haul, so let me know that you are. I want to make sure you're digging the vibe, and let me know what your favorite item was that I found. I'm super interested to hear what you think. If you have any questions about thrifting, the items that I found, about my Depop shop, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I will get back to any questions that you might have. But yeah, if you saw something you liked in this video, I'll leave the link to my Depop shop in the description so you can go and pick it up. But that is all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I love talking about home decor and thrifted things. It's like my favorite thing ever. So thanks for hanging out with me. It was a total blast. And click that red little subscribe button down there if you want to be notified when I post videos. Yeah, duh. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!